Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Section 7. I am Rimi, your host. You're doing an amazing job sticking with me through this masterclass. We have already talked about your name, where you live, your age, your work, and your family. Now we are going to learn about a very fun topic. The topic is your hobbies and what you do in your free time. Free time means the time when you are not working or studying. Hobbies are the activities you love to do because they make you happy and relaxed. Sharing your hobbies is one of the best ways to make new friends in English. Let us start by learning the questions people ask about hobbies. Someone might ask you, what do you like to do in your free time? Let us break this down slowly. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Another common question is, what are your hobbies? Let us practice repeating both questions. Repeat after me. What do you like to do in your free time? One more time. What are your hobbies? To answer these questions, we use a very simple and easy structure. You can say, I like to activity, or you can say, in my free time, I like to activity. Let us look at some very common hobbies for the A1. Beginner level. Listen carefully to the pronunciation and repeat after me. I like to read. Books. I like to listen to. Music. I like to watch movies. I like to play. Football. I like to cook food. I like to travel to new places. Let us look at these verbs. We use like to, followed by an action word. Let us practice connecting them smoothly. Repeat after me. I like to read. I like to watch. I like to listen. I like to travel. If you have more than one hobby, that is great. You can join them using the word and. For example, you can say, I like to read books and listen to music. Let us practice joining hobbies. Repeat after me. I like to cook and watch movies. I like to play cricket and swim. Now, let us think about your own hobbies. What do you enjoy doing on weekends or evenings? Even if you only like to sleep or relax, you can say, I like to relax at home. Let us try a short practice. I will ask you the question, and you answer out loud. Ready? Rimi, what do you like to do in your free time? You, in my free time, I like to. Wonderful. Excellent job. Now let us add this exciting part to our growing introduction block. Let us see how beautiful it sounds when you include your hobbies. Listen to my voice. Good morning. My name is Rimi. I am 25 years old. I am from Bangladesh and I live in Dhaka. I am a teacher. There are 4 people in my family. In my free time, I like to read books and listen to music. Nice to meet you. Wow. This is a complete, well-rounded, and perfect beginner introduction. It tells people who you are, what do you do, who you live with, and what makes you happy. Anyone listening to you will understand you perfectly because your sentences are short, clean, and clear. Always remember, when you talk about your hobbies, smile. It makes your voice sound friendly and warm. This is the end of Section 7. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for Section 8.